Happy POD, miss. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video.
Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This time I have an unboxing from Sticker You. I ordered their transfer, their t-shirt transfer, and I also ordered temporary stickers. When you order from, it says do not bend, but I want to tell y'all right now that it was bent. It does have the Sticker Mule sticker on the outside, and the package was definitely bent because it came like this. And also the transfer. It does not have any, well, it does have a little bit of information in here. I got the iron-on transfer, and here's the information for the iron-on transfer. But wait, let me tell you guys. I ordered this, the transfer and the temporary tattoos, ordered on November 22nd. It arrived on December 11th, and the total was $29.98 for both of them. They had like 3 different transfer sizes, like one where you could just do labels for like the inside neck label and things like that, and then they had this iron-on transfer. I'm going to insert a picture of me doing the transfer, but I want to talk about the temporary tattoos first. Again, my package was bent, so I just did a little Christmas tree here with Xmas 2021. And I'm going to go ahead and cut one out because I want to try it. And I have some water in a napkin here. So I cut out a temporary tattoo. I'm probably going to put it on the forearm of my arm. It has instructions on the back. It says, cut out your tattoo, peel away clear plastic layer to expose the adhesive, apply tattoo adhesive side to skin, cover with wet cloth for 10 to 15 seconds to remove, wipe skin with baby oil. I'm going to go ahead and take off the clear film right there. I'm probably going to put it right here. I just positioned that. I have some water and I have a wet paper towel. I'm not going to soak it, but I'm going to get it damp enough to cover this tattoo. I'm going to put the water down. And then I'm going to cover the tattoo. And I'm going to hold some pressure to it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm just trying to put some pressure on it, trying to make sure it sticks. And voila! That came out really good, y'all. Look at it. It's really, the green looks really good. Let me move closer. The green looks really good. And so does the red. That looks amazing. Can't wait to do this with my family for Christmas. These came out super good. That's super cute. And it just says Xmas 2021. I do see like it feel like it has that film over it, but look at that. Oh, that's good. This might be one of the best tattoos I've ever seen. Wow. Love it. So hopefully it stays on all day and we shall see. Here is my iron-on t-shirt transfer. Now, if you see this, it's not going to fit on a shirt. So I am going to cut this and I'm going to place this on my shirt like this. Smile for me, just like this. Just because I feel like this is too long. I don't know where I went wrong at, but this is way too long. It did not look like it would be that long, but I got this. I have a heat press machine, and I'm going to use my heat press machine. It also says to use to preheat the cotton, peel your iron-on graphic off of the backing very slowly. It's not on a backing. Let me see. I don't think this is on a backing. No, I don't think this is on the backing. It's not on the backing. Bend or fold the page to find the edge of the die cut and peel. Maybe it is. Place the iron-on graphic on the garment, image side facing up, cover the iron fabric, use firm pressure, remove parchment paper. I'm going to continue to fold to see if I can find a backing or an edge. But I'm looking and I'm feeling, maybe because of my nails, but I don't think there's a backing. I might have to go look on the website to make sure I got the right one, but this doesn't look like I need to take something off. But then again, it feels like I might need to take something off. I'll keep checking on that, and then if I need to take something off, I'll show that in the clip while I'm pressing this. I definitely recommend the tattoos because they look really good. Feel free to go ahead and check them out to see if you'll like it. I think my order was a little bit cheaper because I believe I had coupons. So just keep that in mind. I told y'all that this transfer, it says something about peeling a thing off. So I did realize that I can peel it off. I used a pen to peel back the film. So I already put the first one on, but yes, it does have where you have to peel it off. So I'm also nervous because I'm using my heat press machine and the instructions said to iron on. Now I'm using a hoodie that I have to press this, and I'm going to use one of my transfer. I have it on the regular heat setting that I normally use for transfers, but I'm nervous. I don't know if it's gonna work out. I'm gonna hope for the best because I didn't want to use an iron when I have a heat press machine. Y'all gonna be right here to witness this with me to see if this is a fail. But yes, it did have that film on there that I needed to take off. I did that, and now we're just gonna wait. It's at 3:05 for 15 seconds, and it's done, and I'm scared. Let's see. Did it stick? Oh, it's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. All right. Not bad at all. It's like a puffer. It looks puffy. Like a puffer transfers. I'm going to press one more time just to make sure that the transfer went into the fabric. Maybe about 5 seconds. Then I'm going to take it off and show you guys a close-up of the transfer. Okay. I'll take this off. And I'm going to pull it out into the light so you guys can see. And not bad at all. You can see that it went into the fibers of the fabric. And it still looks pretty much purple. But it came out really good. So again, the temperature setting that I used was 305 to medium firm pressure for 15 seconds. And I used my transfer cover. It came out really good. It feels good. And I am impressed. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Sticker U products. I think throughout this video, it sounds like I'm saying Sticker Mule, or maybe I accidentally said Sticker Mule, but the transfer and the temporary tattoos came from Sticker U.
Thanks so much for watching. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.